friends, I am Sajatanya. Welcome to SciTech. In this video, I'm going to talk about the battery life of the Realme X2 Pro device. So I've been using this device for quite some time, friends. I think it's more than 3 to 4 months. So using the Realme X2 Pro device. So for the couple of days I decided to use the Realme X2 Pro because meanwhile I was testing the POCO X2 device and Realme X2, and I did not have time to test actually the Realme X2 Pro device for quite some time. So I decided to use the Realme X2 Pro device right now and decided to do a video how much the battery backup actually is in this phone. So if you're first time watching this channel, friends, subscribe to my channel SciTech Guru, and also do check the links in description also for the playlist of Realme X2 and all other different smartphones which I reviewed in my channel. So as you can see, friends, I uploaded plenty of videos on each smartphone, so do check the links in description, friends, or if you want to know in detail reviews about the Realme X2 Pro device. So right now let me show you exactly the settings, friends, what I am using exactly here. So if you go to the about phone, as you can see, friends, Realme X2 Pro device and Snapdragon 855 Plus. Let me go to the battery settings exactly to show you how much the screen on time actually is. So right now you can see here, friends, 7%, and I've been using for 2 days so Realme X2 Pro device without even charging the phone. And throughout this usage, most of the time I've connected to the Bluetooth headset, friends. Even though I'm not using the Bluetooth headset, but still those are connected to the smartphone or Realme X2 Pro device. So that's the one thing to be noted, friends. And overall the battery backup of the Realme X2 Pro is pretty good. And another point I just want to mention is that I've used with the 90 Hz refresh rate. Let me open the refresh rate. As you can see, friends, so throughout the time I've been using only the 90 Hz refresh rate continuously. So these with the I think medium usage, not with the very light. I would consider using with the medium usage, friends. So with the medium usage for the 2 days, I think this is the best you can get. The screen on time, if you are using for 2 days, it should be like minimum of 4 hours. So that is what in my opinion is. And if you are using for 1 day, the screen on time can be 6 to 7 hours of screen on time. So that is for the 1 day of use, friends. So you need to take the standby mode battery drain also into the consideration if you are using for more than 1 day. So that's it for this video, friends. I just want to give a clarity like how is the battery backup of the Realme X2 Pro device. So after a long time of using the device. So if you're still wondering whether to buy the Realme X2 Pro or not, I would say the X2 Pro has got a pretty good value for its money, friends. So definitely if you're still thinking, I would suggest you to just buy the phone, because none of the buyers who ever bought the Realme X2 Pro has no any issues, and they are not having any regret feeling of buying Realme X2 Pro device. So that's it for this video, friends. For more videos, subscribe to my channel, and also to check the links in description also for the playlist of Realme X2 Pro device. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.